Welcome back to our channel, Neesan Study Channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is all about like and unlike decimals. So let's start today's video. Do you watch my previous video? Introduction to decimals. How was it? Good? Yeah, very good. But in today's video, we will discuss more about decimals. That is like and unlike decimals. You have all know about decimals. Let's revise. Decimals are the numbers having whole number and a fractional part separated by a decimal point. 12.09. Here 12 is the whole number and 09 is the fractional part. Both are separated by a decimal point. Now know about like decimals. Decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Example: 24.77, 30.03 and 21.79. Decimal places means numbers after decimal points or the fractional part numbers. In 24.77, fractional part numbers are 77, or we can say this decimal number has two decimal places. In 30.03, here also has two decimal places. In 21.79, this number also has two decimal places. So these three decimal numbers possess same decimal places. So these decimal numbers are called like decimals. Here are some other decimal numbers: 1.7, 2.89, 3.036. Are these like decimals? No, these are not like decimals. These decimal numbers are called unlike decimals. So what do you mean by unlike decimals? Decimals having different decimal places are called unlike decimals. Here in 1.7 there is one decimal place. In 2.89 there is two decimal places. And in 3.036 there is three decimal places. All the above decimal numbers have different decimal places. So these are unlike decimals. But we can change an unlike decimal into like decimal. How? Here is a separate trick for you. These are two steps to converting an unlike decimals to like decimals. Let's know about it. Step 1. Find the maximum number of decimal places. Step 2. Put additional zeros so that each decimal number has same number of decimal places. तो इसका like decimals बनाने से ये होगा 1.700, 2.890 and 3.036. Understood? आओ एक एग्जाम्पल से अच्छे से समझते हैं. Convert 1.947 and 2.2 into like decimals. दोनों डेसिमल नंबर से पता करो कौन सा डेसिमल नंबर का डेसिमल प्लेस ज़्यादा है. जाहिर सी बात है, यहाँ पर 1.947 डेसिमल नंबर हैज मोर डेसिमल प्लेसेस, दैट इज 3 numbers. But to convert decimal number 2.2 into like decimal of 1.947, we have to put 2 zeros after the decimal place of 2. By converting in like decimals, both decimal numbers are seen as follows: 1.947 and 2.200. Like this, you can convert any decimal numbers into like decimals. Try it with another example on your own to make it easy. This is all about like and unlike decimals. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और शेयर करना. अगर चैनल पे नए आए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना. If you have any queries, please follow me at Insta and NSC Best. Thanks for watching.